Arblis 5-pin Euro style time trials. Let's rock. Slight rotation after pushing 5. Easing off intention a little bit. Pushing in 4. Unsure. Moving up. 3. 2. Getting counter on 1. Feel like something dropped at the back of the lock. Pin 5. A little bit of rotation in the core. Pin 4. Pin 3. Not confident in that. Getting counter there in 2. Okay. Just push that in 1. Going back to the back of the lock. Pin 5. Pin 3. If we can get it into place. Didn't feel that set. I'll adjust my tension and go back at that. Whoops, we just lost most of that pulse set. Back pin 5. Open on 4. Okay, let's try and take this puppy apart. I'm going to need some way of getting this C-clip off. See if I can do that without stabbing myself. Almost. Dun, dun, dun. Bend my tweezers in a minute. Hooray. Part 1. Getting the C-clip out. It's always fun. Okay. Now I'm going to shim this puppy, if possible. Working carefully. It's always fun. So there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pour them out. Putting up a struggle. Pin 1. Whoops, pin 2. Pin 3. Pin 4. Clip out of the way. Pin 5 for all standard pins. Looks all normal. Okay, retrieve the shim. Okie dokie. Okay, we'll see how this view works out. I might take a couple of photographs in a minute to try and get a better view of some of the pins. But key pins are all standard. They look to be quite well worn. What I mean by that is the tips are fairly rounded, what I was what I'm normally used to looking at, so I'm not sure whether that is from key wear. It looks to be fairly smooth, so it doesn't look unlike key wear, but it also may be by design. I've not seen enough of these to really have anything to compare by. So as it is, all standard key pins. As for drivers, in positions 1, 2, 3 and 4, we have standard UBUS spool pins. The odd one out, or the fun one out, is this serrated pin in position 5, or same length springs. So that's what's inside the lock. Very nice lock, fun to pick, very talkative little lock. It's got to shut up and pay attention to it, and it will tell you what you need to do. So I'll move on out of the way now, but not before saying thanks to Potti314 for this very cool lock. I've had a lot of fun with it. I'm sure I'll have a lot more fun with it again. To anyone watching, thanks. Peace and respect to all. Wishing you happy pickings. I'll see you another day. I'm out.